image quality and audio quality are the two most important things. You can kind of like cut attention of people with graphics, with thumbnails, with things like that. But audio, I think, is the first thing. If I actually kind of like watch a video that has like a bad audio, I'm gonna actually just close it because I don't want to put my volume all the way up or something like that, or have like a shaky image, like a shaky video or something like that. So those are the two most important things. That is why today I want to show you this microphones over here. I have two microphones. The transmitter is plugged on my phone. It has, let me show you, this one right here. It has USB-C. It has USB for the iPhones, the old iPhones, by the way. It also has a 3.5 jack for the cameras. It comes with two. One, I have it plugged right here on my head, and it actually has the wind protection right here. This one. So if it is a windy day, you're not going to notice that too much. I have one right here. It's connected. The other one, you can give it to another person, and you can do like an interview to people just talking at the same time or something like that. And I got to say that is pretty good. And talking about battery, it's going to have about in between 16 to 18 hours of battery life. And talking about the distance, you can see that I keep walking, and this thing is going to keep recording up to 32, 35 feet away from the actual transmitter. So those are really good. Audio quality, I like it. Crispy voice, crystal clear voice, really good for podcasting or kind of like recording voiceovers and things like that. And the fact that it comes with two is actually even better. Noise canceling is one if you want to apply it. And you have the three ports, the three ways of connecting, which I think it is really good. Everything you hear right now, it's with this microphone, wind protection, good battery life, two, not one, two microphones at the same time recording, and of course, the good audio quality that you need when you are in content creation.